Hey y'all, it's Damon here from Deco Exchange. Okay, so if you missed the 3 minutes of the first video, we took a 36-inch swag and I took my sign and I figured out about how much I want around it, and then I took my bolt cutters and I cut some swag off, and then I took my mesh and I cut it into 12-inch strips. Then we're gonna take this and we're just gonna start putting these all the way around the outside. All right, so we're just gonna use the tensile ties that are there to work all the way around the outside. For me personally, I still want to be able to see the black, because if you look at our sun, the accents are black. So y'all, I'm basically just doing a loose ruffle, nothing special. So literally just crumbling it up. I cut the swag slightly bigger than my sign. So whatever sign you use. All right. Now I'm gonna cut a few more strips to fill in the center part. And we're just filling it in nice and neat. All right, so in the center part right here where I'm gonna put my sign, I'm just gonna kind of pull my ruffles out to the side a little bit. So we need 4 pipe cleaners. All right, so I'm just gonna staple my pipe cleaners in the 4 corners. I am using 1/4 inch staples, yes. Where do I get my pipe cleaners? From Deco Exchange. All right, now on the back of your swag, the top of it, it's gonna have a little hoop, right? So make sure you don't make it upside down. All right, so I'm gonna get this where we have just enough room on the top for a nice bow, just enough room on the bottom for a nice bow. All right, gonna get this tied around the frame. All right, y'all, I'm gonna add a little bit of hot glue right behind this sign to help hold it right where I want it. So we're here. All right, so I think I'm gonna use these 3 here for my bows. So I'm gonna make this one about, I don't know, 16 inches, this tail. Let's do about a 6-inch loop. This is a 4-inch by 100 feet roll. So this one's going to be just slightly smaller. So this one, same thing, y'all, just a little bit smaller. So you want to make sure whenever you put your bow on that the top of your bow is going to sit right underneath the sign and doesn't actually cover your words. So just getting that pipe cleaner around the base, maybe. All right, let's start trimming these tails at different lengths. All right. Now we need a smaller bow for the top. All right. So same thing, just slightly smaller. About a 6-inch loop. All right, get this twisted off. All right, so this one's gonna go right on top. All right, that was a little crooked. There we go. Now we're just gonna go around and add some ribbon tails around it. For my ribbon tails, I'm gonna use different ribbon. I'm gonna cut 10 of these and just see where we start. So we're cutting 10 more of these at 14 inches. All right, so we're doing 2 1.5-inch ribbons. And 1 2.5-inch. They're all cut at 14 inches. So y'all, we're gonna layer these like this. Y'all, we're just gonna add these around the outside. So now we're just gonna go down the side. So when I sold this kit, I didn't have any greenery in. So all I did was the sign, the base, the mesh, and the ribbon. Nice and simple.